Alam mo ba, if you opened a savings account sa BPI last January, then by December of this year, you will earn 0.015% interest. Pero if bumili ka ng shares of stocks kay BPI last January, then as of today, you have already gained 14% interest. Yes, kapatid, yan ang pagkakaiba between a depositor and a shareholder. As a shareholder, you'll have the opportunity to grow your money plus makakatanggap ka rin ng dividend or hati mo sa profits na kinikita ng company. There is a huge difference. Kapatid, gusto mo bang matuto paano bumili ng shares of stocks ng BPI? Just comment down below stocks or send me a message for details. See you on my next video.